Hi y'all, welcome back. So today it was something. This was challenging to say the least. But this is really popular. It is really up and coming. It's a butterfly cut crease. And I'm not really sure why it's called that. It's not very butterfly-y, unless it's just talking about the colors in it or like, I don't know. I really don't know. And I know I'm like super dull right now, but I don't know how I feel about this. But I will show y'all how to recreate it if you're brave enough. Because this took a while. But yeah, I went ahead and put on my foundation, my base shadow. But yeah, it's probably not gonna be my best video. Okay, this time for the monologue that you're not gonna hear. But yeah, I'm doing my eyeliner to like try to give myself a guide of what I was doing, what I was trying to do. Because let's face it, I didn't do it well. It was bad. Let me see. Yeah, I'm just like showing everything. No, I started. I tried on my arm. Actually, I tried on my arm twice. I'm not gonna lie. And both times they looked just as bad as my face, if not worse. They definitely look worse. And after all of this, I went back and I had to wash out all of my shadow brushes because they were all black. It looked like I had dipped them in a fireplace, in the ash in the fireplace. They were so black. Like the shadows had, not the shadows, the brushes had more pigment on them than my face did. And my eyes were pretty dark. It was bad. And I'm just filling in the rosy part, or the pinkish part. And I've tried to do like an ombre like in the picture, which I'll include in the corner. But yeah, it did not turn out that way. I went over that crease so many times with black, trying to like define it more. And I also tried to blend up there so much, and it wouldn't do right. Like it was, it almost looked color blocked in person. It was bad. And I need to apologize to my face for doing that to it, because that was just a crime against makeup. Like, I put so many layers on my brow bone trying to blend the black in with like a tan color and then a creamy color, but it didn't work. And that coffee didn't make my makeup any better. It just made me do it worse, faster, which was not great. But yeah, this was just awful. Like, I showed some people I work with, they're like, oh, it's not that bad. I looked at them, I'm like, I gave them the look, like, like, we both know that you're lying, and you're really bad at it. But it's okay. Because they eventually admitted that it looked really bad, too. But yeah, and then I went back and did my eyeliner again. And this was just not a good look for me. Okay, y'all. I gotta be honest with you. This looks awful. This is bad. I look like a raccoon that got in a fight and lost. This is horrific. I think it's safe to call this one an absolute disaster. I don't know if it was my application technique or if this just looks really bad on me and I did an okay job, but this is it's really bad. I need to take this off and this off my arm This is really bad. But it's still getting uploaded because it's hilarious. I look ridiculous. So I'll see y'all later. Maybe I'll look better next time. Maybe like this will be maybe I'll be taken care of. Because this is horrendous. It's like a bad car wreck you can't look away from. It's bad. But at least I'm laughing at it, not crying bad. So, bye. Maybe, wait, no. Like, maybe when you try it, it'll look a whole lot better. I don't know if I can talk about my complexion. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm too pale for this look. That's what we'll go with. I'm just too pale for this look. So, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. Maybe I'll try again. But not today.